Hi, so now I'm going to show you how to work the nap room counter. So what you first need to do is select the children that are going to have a nap and move them to the nap room tab. Once the children have been moved to the nap room, like you can see here, select from the very top where it says groups, next to it places. Tap the places tab and then select nap room. Here you can see which children are in the nap room. We can say that Colin has started his nap, so we long tap Colin. This will start the nap time counter. We can do it again. We long tap the child and it will start the counter. This long tap for nap time only works in the nap room places. If you try to do it in the attendance page, you will log the child in or log the child out. This feature can only be used when you are in the nap room place. And you can simply long tap again to wake up the child from their sleep.